Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Swati and I make makeup, skincare, product review, face art and transition videos. For more, you can follow me on my Instagram. My Insta handle is @labelswati. In today's video, I'll be sharing the tutorial of this look. I have created this look using all the products from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is a very minimal makeup look, like anyone can achieve this look. Also, I haven't applied lashes today, not even kajal and eyeliner, because I wanted to make my eyes look subtle. So yeah, that's that. And my lip shade is bold, so I do not want to make a bold eye makeup look. So yeah, without wasting more time, let's quickly dive into the video. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button, so you guys will be notified every single time I upload a new video. So yeah, let's quickly start. First, I am starting off with priming my face with Sugar's Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. As I have already told you in my previous videos that this is a silicone based primer and it works actually very good. For my base, I'll be using Sugar's Power Clay SPF 20 BB Cushion in the shade 40 Brief, and this is a very lightweight foundation, और मैं कहूँगी that it actually works like a BB cream. I have applied this on half of my face just to show you कि किस तरीके की कवरेज मुझे ये देता है और बहुत ही इवन सा सरफेस मुझे मिल चुका है. So I just love the finishing of this foundation. For concealing my dark circles, I'm using Sugar's Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 40 Brief and applying on the highest points of my face. And now I am blending it with the help of Damn Beauty Blender. I genuinely love this concealer because it gives a full coverage. So if you have budget, then you should definitely try this one. And now I am going to set that area where I have applied concealer with this All Set to Go translucent powder. This translucent powder doesn't give you a white cast, which I totally love. And Sugar का कौन सा ऐसा product है जो अच्छा नहीं होता? Like I'm a big fan of Sugar's Cosmetics. Now it's time for brows, and for that I'm using Arc Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 04, and the shape of this eyebrow pencil is really precise, so you can draw a hair-like stroke, and it comes with a spoolie, so बहुत easy हो जाता है आपके लिए. Like एक ही tool में आपको eyebrow pencil and spoolie दोनों मिल जाते हैं. For eyeshadow, I'll be using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 01, and I have used these 3 shades, and guys, this palette is really pigmented. Even the metallic shades are really pigmented, and I am giving you a hand swatch right here, so आपको अच्छे से समझ आएगा what I am trying to say. Like the shades are insanely pigmented, guys. First, I'm applying that coral shade all over my lid. On the top of that, I'll be applying a bronze gold shade, and on the lower side, I'll be applying deep burgundy shade. And this eye makeup is almost done. I'm curling my lashes now, and I'm applying this Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara, applying 2-3 coats of this mascara, and it actually lifts my lashes. Now I'll be using this Contour de Force face palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory for bronzing, blush and highlighter. If you guys are following me, then you must know I already have the mini versions of this palettes, and now I have received this in my PR, which I totally love. Like if you are medium skin tone or tan skin tone, then this palette gonna work for you. If you are wondering to buy the mini versions of this face palette, then सबके link जो हैं description box में mention कर दिए हैं मैंने with their name. Also इस वीडियो में जितने भी products मैंने use किए हैं सबका link भी description box में mention है, तो आप उसको check कर सकते हैं. And guys, if you are a beginner, then I would definitely suggest you go buy this highlighter, the mini version of this highlighter. It cost only rupees 349 or I guess 399, and it will go on so long, so you can see how it actually works. And for lipstick, I'm using Sugar's Metal Liquid Lipstick in the shade number 12. Now let me tell you one thing guys, if you are not a fan of Sugar Smudge Me Not range, then this lipstick is for you. आपके जो होठ हैं वो बिल्कुल dry feel नहीं करेंगे, and the formula of this lipstick is really nice. And my makeup is finished guys, this is the finished look. And I am not using any sort of filter right now. So this is the finished look guys, and you can wear this look in daytime function or any party, and this looks so subtle. Like, this is the most easiest look, and yeah, I'm just loving it. I hope you will like this video. If yes, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more, you can follow me on my Instagram. My Insta handle is @Swati. So I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.